What is going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. Today I have a comparison video for you guys. These are Soundcore product lineup. I think the only one I'm missing is Q45, which I can't find anywhere. I have no idea where it is. But anyway, we're gonna do some comparison today with the Q20, which is one of their low-end headphones that actually has really good noise cancellation. The other one is the Q30. This one right here actually looks kind of like the Q45. Has great noise cancellation as well. Got some premium features in there. And then there's the Space One, which is, I think now there's a more top of the line than the Space One, but this was the top of the line one. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys how noise cancellations are on these. If you are questioning if they sound good, they sound good, guys. I promise you that. Okay, so that's one thing. Everyone that has gotten the Q20 has been raving about it. They've, for the price point that you can get this thing at, noise cancellation and sound quality is amazing. Everyone that I've talked to, or in the comment section at least. Anyway, yeah. Let's go ahead and test some noise cancellation today. Okay, so right now I have some light airplane noise in the background. All right, make sure you put your headphones on because this is gonna be kind of important if you wanna try out these headphones. All right, so right now you can hear that there are binaural 3D kind of headphone right here that I have on, and you can hear the airplane is in the air. Okay, so first headphone we're going to try out is Anker Soundcore Space One. So right now this is on transparency mode. What that means is that there are mics all over the place that lets in whatever noise that's outside. This is great if you want to talk to someone, you want to listen to the train coming, you want to listen to the announcement, that kind of stuff. So transparency is awesome. By the way, not many headphones have transparency. Yeah, I don't know why, but a lot of headphones just have noise cancellation, and that's it. No transparency mode. Now I'm going to turn on
noise canceling.
So this is noise canceling.
Transparency. Noise cancelling.
Okay, so that's Space One right there. Now we're gonna go over to the Q30. Right now I can tell this is transparency mode because it's letting in a lot of noise.
Noise cancelling. Normal.
So this actually has a normal mode, you see that? Basically what that means is that you just ear cup over your head, that's it.
Transparency.
Transparency.
Noise cancelling.
There you have it. That's the Q30. Now, the low end one, Q20.
Off.
So this is off. Now notice one thing, the Q20 does not have transparency mode. So there are no mics for the audio to go in. It's just now something over my ear. That's it. It's off. Noise cancel off or on. That's it.
Noise canceling.
Now we're gonna go Q30.
Normal. Transparency. Noise canceling. Transparency. Noise canceling. Off. Noise canceling.
Okay guys, so there you go. That's the noise canceling test for Soundcore Q20, Q30, and the Space One. All different tiers. Now I would say that if you value noise cancellation, like if you're fixing to get on a plane, I would say grab the Q30. That has a little bit better noise canceling than the Q20. The Q20 is, I would say, if you want to get one for your kids, for instance, get the Q20 because it's low cost. You know, it's lower cost than the Q30, and it still provides great noise cancellation. But the Q30 has really good noise cancellation. I say that's the middle ground. I would grab that if I were to have to pick 3 of these. Now, if I have some cash to throw out, definitely Space One is the way to go. Obviously, it has some extra feature on there, which I won't get into in this one. You can probably read the spec on that. But the noise cancellation is just as good as Q30, if not slightly better, in my opinion. Maybe because of the way the cup is built. But in my opinion, the Q30 is the middle ground right there that I would definitely get if I was to jump on an airplane this weekend. Now for the Q20, it's a good one to get for my kids because, you know, it's low cost, and if they breaks it, it's okay, but it still provides really, really good noise cancellation. The sound is actually pretty good on the Q20. Anyway, guys, that's it right there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.